How's it going, guys? I'm going to show you today one way you can play Minecraft that you can easily be making 20 to 30 bucks a day. All it requires is that you play on their server. You don't even have to be competitive with it. You can just do whatever the heck you want to do. So this is NFT Worlds. Maybe a lot of you guys have heard of them already. They are kind of the biggest name in Minecraft in NFTs right now. So all you do is, this is the NFT Worlds launcher that you can get from their website. I'll go ahead and show you that. I think I have it right here, just nftworlds.com. And I'm already logged in here. And you just log in and you sign in with Microsoft, which is, you'll want to sign in with the account that's associated with the account that you play Minecraft with on Microsoft. And it sets up a wallet for you to earn World token, WRLD. And I haven't been paid out yet because they pay out every few days or so. And I just discovered this a couple of days ago. So I figured I'd show you guys. So here we are. This is the launcher. Like I said, you can download it from nftworlds.com. And then I just like to be playing on this first one right here, NFT Worlds SMP, because it has the most players online and it's just already set up and stuff. So it's this first one here on the launcher. I've already launched the game. And I'll just go ahead and get in. One thing that's a little bit annoying is that they have you verify like 3 times that you're human, MTSVY, which is understandable because people are going to be getting on here and trying to take advantage of the system and making money, because you can literally make money by playing. So there's the second one, and then click yellow. Okay, and now I'm in. So looks like right now we only have 271 people online. There are 3 different servers to choose from, and each one has a limit of 400 people. This is a new plot of land that I just barely, I went exploring a little bit, decided it was time to move. Oh yeah, they do have a pretty nice shaders pack in their own launcher that they have incorporated with that, so that's cool. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just do /WRLD, and that shows me right here. My play time is a total of just over 4 hours, and I've earned 20 world from playing. It hasn't been paid out yet because if I do WRLD balance, that'll show me how much I actually have in my wallet, and I have 0 right now. And that's because they do pay it out every few days or so. And I think they are supposed to update you when that is in their Discord. Anyway, so I calculated that they pay out 1 world every 12 minutes that you're playing. So, and you do have to be active, you can't just AFK. But if, you and your friends, or maybe you can even just like trick your little brother into playing on one of your alt accounts on here, and you can be making money while he's doing it. I don't necessarily advocate that. Maybe you should give him a little bit of money. Maybe you could like hire him to do that if you want to do that, just to be fair. Anyway, yeah. I'm an older brother myself, so I know some of those tricks. I'm just going to show you how much that actually makes per day. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here for now, and let's go over to a calculator. So we know that you make 1 world token every 12 minutes. So what I was saying, and I guess what I have the title of the video as making 20 to 30 bucks per day playing Minecraft. A couple of days ago, you were able to make 30 bucks a day. That's only because the price of world has gone down the past couple of days, and that's one negative side to this, is that we are talking about cryptocurrency, so it's going to be all over the place. You can see right here that it was at 25 cents per world just a couple of days ago, and then right now it's down to 17 cents. As I checked the other day, it was at 24. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of math real quick. Let's see, if you have 24 hours in a day times 60 minutes per hour is 1440 minutes per day, divided by how many times can you fit 12 minutes into that. So you can make 120 world per day. And then let's multiply that by 17 cents, so that's just over 20 bucks. But if it goes back up to 25 cents, which is what it was 2 or 3 days ago, then 120 times 0.25 would be $30 a day even. So yeah, you can make 20 to 30 bucks a day playing Minecraft, and that's pretty cool. It's not a lot of money, especially if you live in the United States. cost of living is higher than in a lot of the world. But you'll notice if you do get on here and play, a lot of the players are speaking Portuguese. And that's cool and all. I speak Spanish because I served my mission in El Salvador. Okay, one second. I gotta focus for this. WDSJF. These things are dumb. Yeah. So I can understand what they're saying, and because Spanish and Portuguese are pretty close to each other, and so I just kind of messaged these people and said, "Hey, what country are you guys from?" I was asking them in Spanish, and they responded in Portuguese. They said they were in Brazil, and another guy said he was in Angola. I don't know how exactly to pronounce that. That's a country in Africa, though, that has their main language, Portuguese. So what I'm getting at with that is that, yeah, you can see there's different languages in the chat here. What I'm getting at is that in other parts of the world, $30 for playing, and that is 24 hours. So it's not very realistic that you'll actually be making 20 or 30 bucks a day, because you're probably not going to be playing for 24 hours straight every single day, because that's impossible. That in other countries, 20 bucks a day is worth more than it is in the United States, because the cost of living is so much less. And I was going to mention too, you don't actually have to be on the NFT World's launcher to be able to access their server. You can just go right here to the IP is smp.nftworlds.com. I think the version is 1.18.2 right now that they have it on. So if you want, and you don't actually need this, this is the port, which Minecraft does by default is 25565. So you don't actually have to put that on the end. I don't know why they even have it here in their launcher. Yeah, you can join without that. And then one other thing I was going to mention is that most Minecraft servers that you can make money on, you have to pay money to be able to make money. And what I mean by that is a lot of, especially NFT-based Minecraft servers, you'll have to buy an NFT to be able to play on them. But NFT Worlds has it set up so that at least in their biggest server, you don't have to pay any money to be able to make money, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so that's kind of hard to find. Most of the time, in order to be playing a game where you make money from it, you have to pay some kind of money. You gotta buy something, you gotta buy a rank, something like that. So anyway, and then also you can pay other players and buy stuff with World Token in-game, which is pretty cool. So you can basically be trading. You can have a real commerce system set up, and you can be trading in World Token. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video with that. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it all the way to the end. And I do a lot of videos about coding, and I do actually make a lot of Minecraft servers. So if you guys are curious about that, go ahead and leave something in the comments. I make a lot of modded servers, and I write script a lot. So if you're interested in that, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to make some videos about that. I think it's a lot of fun. So anyway, thanks you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'll be coming out with more content. I'm making videos more frequently now, trying to get back in the good graces of the YouTube algorithm. And we will see you in the next video.